coaching. As we discussed in yesterday's class, I will be dealing with your elements of cost and market analysis subject. In this subject, yesterday was an introductory video. From today onwards, the topic will be discussed. So in today's class, we will be discussing meaning and definition of managerial economics. Now those who have studied economics in PUC will know what do you mean by economics. But if there are some students from science background and all, it needs to be clear about the meaning of economics. Now here, basically economics means the branch of knowledge concerned with the production, consumption and transfer of wealth. Now, everybody, we are involved in this activity, either consuming, either producing, either distributing or transfer of wealth. We are involved in these activities in our day-to-day life. But we don't know that these activities are called as economics. Therefore, we need to know the meaning of economics. Wherein economics means the branch of knowledge concerned with the production, consumption and transfer of wealth. Everybody, we consume at least the basic necessity things, that is food, clothing and shelter, or we use these things. So therefore, we are directly or indirectly involved in economic activities. Therefore, economics means the branch of knowledge concerned with the production, consumption and transfer of wealth. After that, one more meaning of economics is a social science concerned with the production, distribution, consumption of goods and services. It studies how individuals, business, government and nations make choice about how to allocate resources. Now everybody, we either produce something or we buy something, we consume some goods and services, we use them, we distribute them. Therefore, each and every individual is involved in this economic activities. Therefore, when we understand the meaning of economics, now it is termed, or now we should know the meaning of managerial economics. In simple, managerial economics deals with the application of the economic concepts, theories, tools and methodologies to solve practical problems in a business. In other words, managerial economics is the combination of economic theory and managerial theory. It helps the manager in decision making and act as a link between practice and theory. Now, we as a businessman, we need to take decisions every now and then. So at that point of time, while taking these decisions, here managerial economics helps us in taking the various decisions at various levels by applying the concepts, by applying the new aspects or economic tools, economic methodologies, economic theories and solving the business problems and making business decisions in a proper way or in a successful way. Therefore, managerial economics is nothing but it is application of economic theories and economic concepts and tools along with the methodologies to solve the business problem. Therefore, managerial economics helps the businessman in taking business decisions and solving the managerial problems faced by them at every step in their own business. After that, we will move on to managerial economics definition. Now, many authors have defined managerial economics at various places or various areas in their own words, but somewhere or the other way, each and every definition gives similar kind of meaning. Therefore, here according to Mansfield, managerial economics provides a link between economic theory and decision science in the analysis of managerial decision making. Now, whenever a manager or a businessman has certain set of decisions to be taken, at that point of time, he uses this economic theories and economic science or decision science of economics in solving his day-to-day problems or day-to-day activities. Therefore, according to Mansfield, managerial economics provides the link between economic theory and decision science, which helps the businessman to analyze, to interpret, and to take decisions at various levels. Therefore, according to Mansfield, managerial economics provides a link between economic theory and decision science in the analysis of managerial decision making. So this is one of the definitions which is simply telling us about it is a link between managerial or economic theories and decision science, which will help the businessman or manager to take decision at various steps in the organization. After that, second definition we have is Brigham and Poppas, which believes that managerial economics is the application of economic theory and methodology to business administration practice. Now here also they are saying the same thing, that managerial economics is the application of economic theories, means using these economic theories, applying these economic concepts and methodologies to business administration practices. We are doing business activity every day as a businessman. At these various stages, we are supposed to take decisions, we are supposed to analyze the market situation, we are supposed to analyze the demand, supply, etc., etc. So for that purpose, managerial economics work as a link between both the things, and it helps in making business decisions, analyzing the market and analyzing the situation and taking the decisions. After that, one more definition we have according to MC Nair and Merriam. What this definition says is, business economics deals with the use of economic modes of thoughts to analyze business situation, which means here economic modes means all the economic tools, economic theories, economic decision making process, or economic tools which helps to analyze the business situation and to make decisions. So therefore, after considering all the above definitions, we can say that from the above said definitions, we can say that business economics makes in-depth study of the following objects. These three things we will be studying in business economics or managerial economics. Those things are: number one, explanation of nature and form of economic analysis. Means what? It helps us in understanding or in explaining the various forms, explanation of nature and form of economic analysis. Whatever economic analysis we are making about the market, about the country, about the business, at that point of time it is giving us all complete explanation and analysis. The second point what we are going to study in managerial economics is identification of business areas where economic analysis can be applied. There are economic theories, there are business problems. Both the things are there, but here the managerial economics will analyze where the economic theories and business problems can be clubbed and where they can be applied. So therefore, identification of business areas where economic analysis can be applied, where we can apply the economic analysis of managerial economics in business decisions or in solving the business problems. So this is the basic or main thing which we will be studying in managerial economics, and this is how the managerial economics will help us in making day-to-day decisions or making day-to-day activities in the business. After that, third most important thing what managerial economics deals would be spell out the relationship between managerial economics and other disciplines, outline the methodology of managerial economics. Here there are various sciences. It may be mathematical science, it may be sociology, it may be political science. So all various sciences are there. Along with that, how managerial economics is bridging gap in the business. These things we will be discussing or we will be studying in our managerial economics. So today we discussed in simple the meaning of managerial economics and the meaning of business economics, or we saw the simple meaning of economics, which means the branch of knowledge concerned with the production, consumption and transfer of wealth. A 2 marks question may come for your examination. What do you mean by economics, or what do you mean by managerial economics? If they ask a question only economics, you are supposed to write this. In case if they ask a question, what do you mean by managerial economics, at that point of time you can write managerial economics deals with the application of the economic concepts, theories and tools and methodologies to solve practical problems in a business, if it is asked for meaning. And if a definition is being asked, any of these 3 definitions you all can write in your examination for 2 marks. Okay, so in today's class only this much. We will stop here. If you all have any doubts, any queries related to my subject, you all can feel free to contact me. Thank you. Good day.